What's going on, everyone? I'm in the beautiful countryside of Illinois with Nate Eckhold and Ryan, Fireant Fishing, Fireant Official. We're all here, the three of us, in conjunction with my buddy Nick from Gator Guards. All four of us here to collaborate and be together and do some cool things, catch some fish and build some stuff. And check out the new shop. We're going to give you a showing of where tiny boats have gone. They've gone to a completely different level now. Pretty excited to show you what's coming up. Stay tuned, check it out. Pick it up. Whatever, I just got this boat in the water in like a fraction of the time it took two of you to get. It's right there. It's all dead. You don't want to keep it? This is the most ridiculous boat. This is what I need at my lake. Right in the sticks. You got one.
That didn't take long.
Yeah, this is my first Illinois bass. I'm so happy.
It's a Lake Havasu City giant right there.
Fuck, dude, whatever. Shake your head.
Yeah, it's because that's the perfect size bait for these little. Just call that a bad investment.
Got him.
Not sight the first one. Oh, he's a big one. Fucking fighter. That was an Illinois Loch Ness.
Trying to make a.
Oh, there's a good one.
There he is.
Five. Doing better than you.
That's pretty good. 6, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. You big biggies in that tree. Oh, he's bigger than I thought.
Get in. Woohoo! Moses, you got one from the polling platform.
I don't have a damn
And there's the prop. You're good. Here, you sit down on the trolling motor.
Oh,
Form. It's like we're tarpon.
look at that.
It's like we're tarpon fishing in. It's like we're tarpon fishing in Illinois.
On a jig.
Dude, I wish I could grab him, but there's no way with those teeth. I'm grabbing his ass. Here, let me. So pretty cool. I got my butt handed to me today. I didn't get a fish. Everybody else got fish though, like a lot of fish. This is how they do it. You go lake to lake to lake to lake to lake. You fish 3, 5, 8 lakes in a day, depending on what your gas tank is and what your will is. But if you want to fish, there's no reason. Beautiful countryside, great stuff for tiny boat fishing. This is like a John boat mecca out here. So very cool things. I'm gonna try and have a Redeemer Day tomorrow, because I do not want to leave Illinois without catching a fish. I mean, I caught that little dink, but really I need a big fish. I need a big bass or a muskie. I'm gonna change my tactics and we're gonna see what works.